Okay lang siya. VIT, hello. Okay. No, hello. Oh, it's because I'm lagging. My phone is lagging. My phone is too old na I need to buy a new one. Hi, Jay. Oo, siya matagal na. Shower out yung Vietnam. Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Space. Yes. It's my yes. From the Philippines. You're Jazzy. DJ, thanks for the follow. Archie. Jonathan, Freddy. Tawag yun. Patinting. Eh, hindi nga kayo makabagsak, Jay. Nakakabagsak ka ba? Nipis wala kang bagsak ka? Yeah. Something here. LGBT. Hi. Hi, Nolly. Wala nga bagsak kahit piso. Hindi naman. Thank you. Bye-bye. Dear. I'm teaching English as a second language. Hi, Ash. Ikaw na lang ang magbagsak user. Alberto, hello. English as a second language. Hi, Mar. BMX. Thanks, Vigilant. Ikaw, kung magkano. Traffic. I'm doing it with phone. Live streaming with my phone. My phone is lagging. That's why I really need to buy a new one. Dojo, Joblito. Oh, my job with laptop. In God I trust. Hello. I am Baby. Hello. Andy. Hello. Thank you, Yan. My phone is too lag. It's lagging. Hi, Mark. I really need to buy a new one. When BJ. Hunting. Thank you. Hi, Manuel. John, it's happy. Hello. Or kung you want. Kahit anong phone. I want Techno. May nakita nga ako tag 3K na Techno. I like it. 3.7, parang ganun. Manager. Walang yan basket dito. Jan, thank you for the follow. Uy, malapit lang head. Malapit lang. Ay, baka naman, user. Nagpapaaraw naman ako. Actually, yung work ko sa field before, sobra sa araw. VIP better. Ay, malapit lang. Ilocos. Boy Hero! Malutawan on 24. I will be having my birthday this March 13, Richie. I think you forgot about that. What's your birthday present? Francis, thank you. Angelo. Advance happy birthday, PJ. Hi, Chai. Advance happy birthday sa atin. Chino. Arnold. FJ, hello. Welcome. And thank you. Palita, thank you. Well, Lauren. Tik ka sa akin yung bigben. Yeah, I know. Black Widow 22. Wala naman. Ano ulam? Ito. Ay, kaldereta pala, sorry. Caldereta. www.myspace. Thank you so much, Richie. Uy! It's not my birthday yet. My birthday will be on March 13, Richie. Halika na dyan. Marami pa dito. Yeah, that's more than enough, Richie. Thank you so much. Moa. hindi pa nga ako nakakapunta. Ah, yes! Thank you so much, user. Sobrang swerte, Jessie. Kung sino man siya. Hi, Dares. Hi, Joey. Oh, see, I told you, you forget about it. But you never mentioned your birthday to me, Richie. Hi, Mom. Nandiyan, Murals na lang tayo. Hindi ko din alam dyan. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta. Hi. Thank you so ang generous mo naman. Uy, Boy Hero, thank you. Boy Hero, malapit ang birthday ko, ha? June 18. Okay, I have to remember that. Ang generous mo naman, user. You're not dreaming. Boy Hero, thank you. Steven, hello. Oh no, you forget about my birthday. I told you about that. How many times? Uy, maganda sa vegan. Hi, Mark. Nakapunta na ako sa vegan isang beses. Okay. So, my other account na to, my main account. O, hindi ako matangkad, user. I'm just 5'3". Gustavo, hello. Mr. Ice, hello. You don't really have to give me anything. Don't really have to give me anything. I was just joking, Richie. Marbs, thank you. Saan ka ba sa vegan? Nakapunta na ako sa vegan kasi sobrang init. And tangkad mo pala, Marbs. Try Intan Baluarte. Ayan, T. Saan yung Baluarte na? Sa Ilocos, no? Wow. Ayun. Ayun. Nabutan ko ako. The other one, that's my main account, which I only open this like once a week. So I don't see messages here. My phone doesn't like this account. It keeps on logging. Ronald, saan ka na nga ulit, user? Charis lang. Ada work ko pa eh. Damdama. Saturday, yung other account ko. Pwede mong i-check sa bio ko. Nasa bio ko ata yung account ko. Hi, Arnold. Nabutas na siya. I need new bedsheet. Ready. Hindi siya sa second language teacher.